name's Alicia.
And my name is Rachel. We're students at the Li-Ming Chinese Academy,
where we learn about Chinese language and culture.
But today, we're here to teach you guys about our New Year, which took place on February 10th this year.
The New Year that we're all used to celebrating on January 1st follows the solar calendar marked by the sun. The Chinese New Year follows the lunar calendar, marked by the phases of the moon.
The moon? Why the moon?
Well, the Chinese used to be an agrarian society. They used the phases of the moon to mark planting and harvesting times throughout the year.
Since the moon's path changes from year to year, the actual day of the Lunar New Year varies as well.
So then, how do we determine the date each year?
Well, what stays the same is that the Chinese New Year always falls on the second new moon after the first day of winter.
The new moon is when it looks like there isn't a moon at all. It's just a dark circle in the sky. Because of this cyclical dating, the Chinese New Year can fall anywhere between mid-January and mid-February. This year, it's on February 10th.
Really? That's interesting. The Lunar New Year is similar to Thanksgiving in that it puts a lot of emphasis on family relationships and brings the family together. Meanwhile, like the New Year that most of you celebrate, we also stay up late past midnight to welcome the New Year. It's like Christmas, Hanukkah, and Kwanzaa because it's celebrated over many days. The full Chinese New Year celebration lasts a total of 15 days.
Oh wow! So then, are there any other differences between the celebrations?
Well, the Chinese New Year is celebrated in a cycle called a zodiac. The zodiac is comprised of a series of 12 animals. What are the 12 animals again?
Oh, I know! It's the rat, the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the boar.
Oh, and why did those animals get to be in the zodiac?
Well, a long time ago, the Jade Emperor held a contest. This contest was a race. The first 12 animals to finish the race after crossing a river would get to be in the zodiac in the order in which they finished.
Oh yeah, I remember. The rat won the race because he and the cat made a deal with the ox when crossing the river. The ox, being blind, needed the rat to navigate, and the rat would get a ride across the river. But near the end, the rat jumped off the ox, ran ahead, and won the race.
But wait, what happened to the cat? Why isn't the cat in the zodiac?
Well, the rat was mean and the cat into the middle of the river, and the cat ended up finishing the race in 13th place and didn't get a place in the zodiac. That's why, even today, the cat always tries to chase the rat for revenge.
Oh, I see. So then, what's this year's sign? Does anybody know?
Snake. That's right. It's the year of the snake. Snakes are thoughtful, wise, and clever, but at times can be egoistic and conceited.
Next, Jeffrey and Jessica will tell you more about Chinese traditions.